Hi, I'm going to show you how to calculate the integral of x sine 2x dx. Okay, from trigonometry you know that the cosine 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine 2x. Therefore sine 2x will be equal to 1 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by 2 cosine 2x. Okay, so now let's substitute this expression into this integral. Therefore you can rewrite this integral as the integral of x times, instead of sine 2x I write 1 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by 2 cosine 2x dx. Okay, so now you can expand this integral into integral of 1 divided by 2x dx minus integral of the 1 divided by 2x cosine 2x dx. Okay, and the integral of 1 divided by 2x is equal to x2 divided by 4, because the integral of x dx is basically x2 divided by 2 times this 2 will be x2 divided by 4 minus 1 divided by 2 integral of x cosine 2x dx. Okay, so all you need to do now is to calculate this integral. Okay, so the integral of, let's rewrite this integral, the integral of x cosine 2x dx. Okay, you can solve this integral using the formula for integration by part, that is integral of u dv is equal to uv minus integral of v du. Okay, so here I define x as u, therefore dx will be equal to du, and I define cosine 2x dx as dv, therefore v will be equal to integral of cosine 2x dx, which will be equal to 1 divided by 2 sine 2x. Okay, so now you need to substitute these expressions into this formula. Therefore this integral will be equal to uv, that is u is x, v is this one, therefore u times v will be equal to 1 divided by 2x sine 2x, that is uv, minus integral of v, that is this term, du, and du is dx basically, and 1 divided by 2 is constant, I take it out of the integral of sine 2x dx, okay, which will be equal to 1 divided by 2x sine 2x minus the integral of sine 2x dx is equal to minus 1 divided by 2 times cosine 2x, and minus times minus will be plus. Okay, and 1 divided by 2 times 1 divided by 2 is 1 divided by 4 cosine 2x plus c, which is the constant of the integral. Okay, so now you need to basically multiply this expression by minus 1 divided by 2 and then add it to this x2 divided by 4 to get the solution to this integral. Okay, therefore the answer, the final answer basically will be equal to this first term, that is x2 divided by 4 minus 1 divided by 2 times 1 divided by 2, that is 1 divided by 4 x sine 2x minus 1 divided by 2 times plus 1 divided by 4, that is 1 divided by minus 1 divided by 8 cosine 2x plus c, which is the constant of the integral, and that is the solution to our integral. I hope you found this video helpful. If you are interested, please feel free to subscribe to this channel so that you get updated when I upload new videos. Thank you.